Hello everyone, I'm Usman and today we are going to have a short quiz. The reason to conduct this quiz is to check your writing skills. Don't worry, the quiz will be very easy and it will be graded as well. You simply need to open the Google and search anything. For example, I'm gonna search how to remain calm. After searching, once you search anything, you will open an article or any website and you will copy random 3 to 4 lines. Once you copy something from internet, you will simply copy and paste in the comment section, and after that you will add a bracket. In that bracket you will need to rephrase all of these lines. Once you are done rephrasing this, you will add a comment. When you will add the comment, I will grade you. I will grade this rephrasing out of 10. The reason of this quiz is to simply make you confident about your writing skills, and it will also help you to explore your writing skills and your potential in writing and rephrasing. If you need any help regarding academic writing or this tutorial series, you can simply send a message on WhatsApp or send an email with the subject Ask Academic Writer.